Welcome to Module 1, Distance Learning at UNF. The purpose of this module is to give you a general overview of distance learning at UNF and how it has evolved over the past few years. In particular, how the role of the instructional designer and the application of evidence-based practices are being leveraged to streamline the development of dozens of high-quality courses each year. Deb Miller, Director of CERT, has prepared a wonderful narrated presentation. In that presentation, she talks about a lot of big ideas, in particular national data on DL growth, the DL initiative, the DL fee, and the DL strategic plan, all of which are major areas of focus for distance learning at UNF. And if you're still looking for more information, there are a couple links that we've posted here. One to the Distance Learning Committee, and the other to the strategic plan for 2012 through 2017. The primary role of the instructional designer is to, well, basically provide whatever support is necessary to help faculty develop and deliver high quality distance learning courses here at UNF. We spend a lot of time guiding course development projects from planning to delivery and keeping faculty informed about workflows and the status of their projects. In addition to providing DL course development support to individual faculty, we are also involved with the program level course development, which can involve developing up to a dozen courses and working with as many as a dozen faculty members. In fact, in the past year, we developed 30 fully online program courses. In order to streamline the development of online courses, we use a course template that we designed. And there's really not a whole lot to it. There's a nice video here that you can watch that I put together, and it kind of gives a general idea of how the course template works and the basic categories and so forth, and sections of the course template. This course template has already been used to develop dozens of online courses at UNF, both individually within departments and across entire online programs. Okay, so now I'd like to talk a little bit about evidence-based practices for course development. So we know that the design of the course template is effective because we surveyed students enrolled in courses that were developed using the template, and the results indicate very clearly that students do agree with the formatting and pedagogy built into the course template. In this particular case, we wanted to determine whether the stylistic arrangement of links and menu items and so forth in the template was being well received by the students. And as you can see from the data here, it clearly indicates that that students are buying into the template. And of course, we've gotten lots and lots of feedback from faculty who have all said that not only is it easy for students to navigate, but it's easy for them to facilitate. Next, I want to very quickly mention that UNF recently adopted the Quality Matters program to review our online courses. So QM is a nationally recognized faculty-centered process that focuses on research-based best practices to ensure quality in distance learning. And so the idea is that once you develop your online course, you would submit that course to CERT to be internally reviewed by a certified QM course reviewer. The last topic in this module is on copyright and fair use. Now, this is clearly a deep topic, and it seems that no matter how many webinars I attend or articles I read on the subject, the rules never really get any clearer to me. So here's my simplistic view about copyright and web content. You are free to use anything you can find on the web so long as you leave the content on the web as you found it. And as a courtesy, any content that you include in your course should be clearly labeled as originating from that source. So read the articles that we posted here, watch the YouTube video, and assess your knowledge of copyright laws by completing the self-running slideshow. Okay, so that's about it. Once you've viewed all the materials in this module, click the blog link at the bottom to introduce yourself to everyone else in the course.